So, in the name of Almighty Allah, today we will discuss about general science MCQs. So, first of all, which planets have purple rocks according to NASA? So, planet Mars having purple rocks according to NASA. And international date line passes through which strait? So, it is passing through Bering Strait. And who discovered the gamma rays? So Paul Willard discovered gamma rays, and the most brightest planet amongst the eight. So it is Venus. Out of eight planets, the most brightest one is Venus. And segmented worms take breath through moist skin, and year is longest in which planet among solar system? So Jupiter having the longest year. And X-rays were discovered by Wilhelm Conrad Roentgen. And bamboo is a grass, and glucose syrup is made from maize, and lactometer is used for milk, for measuring the quality of milk. And central color of rainbow is green. And study of current and past landscapes formation is known as geomorphology. In geology we study about earth and their structure and their form. So geomorphology deals with landscapes formation and the study of earth. And Halley Comet is visible after every 76 years. And which of the following spacecraft enabled man to step on the moon first? So it is Apollo 11. And the lunar eclipse occur when Earth is between the sun and the moon. So one is solar eclipse and the other one is lunar eclipse. And which is the nearest star to our solar system? So it is Proxima Centauri. And who was the first to measure the Earth radius? So it is Eratosthenes. And which planet is the fastest rotating planet? So it is Jupiter. And isobar are the lines connecting the places having same pressure. And which of the following planet orbit around the sun in a clockwise direction? So it is Venus. And what is the temperature at the center of the sun? So it is 15 million centigrade. And the species that flowers are called angiosperms. And spring tides occur on new moon and full moon days because on these days sun, moon, and earth are in straight line. And what are the largest of the white blood cell? So it is monocytes. White blood cell include monocytes, eosinophil, basophil, neutrophil, and lymphocytes. But the largest cell among all these cells is monocyte. Steradian is the unit of solid angle, and Siemens is the unit of electrical conductance, and Tesla is the unit of magnetic field strength. And types of bone in human body are long, short, irregular, and flat. So long bones are found in femur, one of the largest bone in human body. Other one is short bone. Irregular bone are found in backbone or vertebral column, and the other one is flat bone. So they are found in shoulder. And in human body there are four different kinds of bones, and the total bones is 206. And melanoma, also called skin cancer, is associated with ozone depletion. A term biotype mean all individual having same phenotype. So one is genotype, other one is phenotype. So genotype mean genetic makeup, and phenotype mean physical makeup. And barnacles growing on the back of whale is an example of commensalism. So commensalism is a mutualistic relationship in which both are benefited from each other. Other one is parasitism, and one is symbiosis or symbiotic association. So these are different type of association which are found, but the most lethal one is parasitic. And fine organic or inorganic particles suspended in air is called aerosol. And fatal degenerative lung disease caused by particulate asbestos is referred to as a asbestosis. Asbestosis is a lung disease and it is caused due to asbestos particulates. And the blueness of the sky is mainly due to the scattering of sunlight by air molecules. And the gradual physiological adjustment to slowly changing new environmental condition is known as acclimatization. And salinization is accumulation of salts in the soil. When there are too much accumulation of salts in the soil, so the phenomena is called salinization. Acid deposition causes lake and forest to die because acid rain or acid is too much toxic to lakes, water, forest, plants, animals. So acid deposition cause damage to lakes, forest, and crops. And which of the following condition related to smoking involves damage to alveoli sacs? So it is emphysema. Emphysema is a disease condition in which the alveoli sacs become damaged. And alveoli is the structural and functional unit of lungs. And lung is the organ where oxygenation takes place. Smoking also damage alveoli and lungs. And periodontics deal with dentistry. And circadian rhythm refers to human body cycles. And what is called when the earth is closest to the sun, so it is perihelion. Perihelion is the condition when the earth is closest to the sun. And an extremely small piece of silicon on which integrated circuits are implicated is called chips. Here in circuits are spelling mistake, but when silicon are integrated into a circuit, we call it a chip. And the property of a substance to absorb moisture from the air on exposure is called deliquescence. And what is the height of the atmosphere layer mesosphere? So it is above 85 kilometer. And bromine is a red brown liquid. And candela is the basic unit of luminous intensity. And how does smoking cigarette impact the red blood cell? So it decreases their ability to carry oxygen. So it's all for today. Subscribe, Dawn Times. Thank you so much.